Everything's working. Okay.
Go!
Fight!
Self-destruct sequence
1-0,
activated.
1-0. Ooh, that was close.
You literally like skimmed my blades on that one.
Oh, go down, damn it! That counts even when you touched the ground, so you came right back up. What are you doing, dude?
I did it right before and hit you. I was trying to avoid you on that one.
I don't know. Are we gonna count that as a point?
What, this?
No, you touched the ground.
That, yes. That, no.
Daddy, I'll
2-0.
keep track. Okay?
Yep.
Yeah, that I was actually trying to avoid hitting you in the head.
Right!
What happened?
He tried to toss us. He tried to toss
You got to reinitiate it.
I just threw it.
Woohoo!
If we're seriously like trying to avoid hitting somebody, then yeah, I agree. Not points.
No points.
Yeah, that was like
You're both down, right back up, same time.
Who does that point go to?
Well, if we count it both as a point, it's 3-2. It's 3-1.
Yeah.
If we don't count it as any points, we're still going. We'll count it as no points.
Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh, that should count.
Mama.
That was cool. Oh, How'd this do?
At least I'm understanding the rules now. Sorry, that was...
That's me a point.
Yeah, I'll give you that one. If you intentionally attack or end up attacking somebody, I agree. That's
No, not even that. You went down. I moved.
true.
You went
Okay, I
down.
see what you're
You went
saying.
down, not hitting me, which I appreciate.
Right.
I did that to you twice yesterday. I'm gonna call that a point to me.
I agree.
You tried to take me down and went down.
Take him down, Daddy.
Not for like a Oh. Let's do. Point to me.
Yes. 3-1.
Oh, that's a game. Start them over. New round. 3, 2, 1, go. That's nothing in there.
Done.
Yeah.
Easy, Thunder Britches.
I'm working on it.
Point.
Yep.
Got it.
I'll let you get back up and stabilize. Go! Oh, oh. Oh, I should just cut the throttle. Yeah! Yeah! That was a badass one. You went down first.
So who?
Point to me.
Okay.
So it's not as hard as it.
Oh, really?
In the kitty litter.
Chopped pooey.
You're in the shitter.
Rescue Stewie.
Huh?
Chop Fooey Rescue Stewie.
All right, attempt number 2.
3, 2, 1.
Win. 2 tries.
Really. Come here. I'm not as.
I'm legally blind.
I'm not the prettiest on it, but.
Okay, now around. That kind of counts. Kind of missed going around it.
No, I did. I didn't go on the outside of it.
You flew all the way back to your cars. That kind of
One
counts.
try.
No.
Attempt 2.
There you go.
There you go. Oh!
It.
Gotta catch it. Fail. 3rd try. Alright, now I gotta do even more gracefully.